Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall a program on screen. So this is the Android. So you can easily uninstall app or program that you don't need anymore, but only for your Android screen or home screen. For example, you can tap or hold the program or application that you want to uninstall. You can tap on install and simply tap on uninstall. After uninstallation, all app data will be cleared, of course. So you need to relog in the app that you need to sign up or sign in. Another example, for example, this one, Mattermost. You can tap uninstall, simply tap on uninstall. And also you can tap on app info. You can uninstall from the application info. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.